Hello everyone, welcome to Zishan classes. I am Farheen and today we are going to learn about operators in Java. The arithmetic operators perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. We all know this plus sign adds two number. This minus sign subtracts two number. This asterisk sign multiplies two number. This division sign divides two number and gives us the quotient. And this is called as the modulo sign and it gives us the remainder. 6 modulo 2 will give us 0 because 6 is completely divisible by 2, whereas 5 modulo 2 will give us the answer as 1 because when we divide 5 by 2, we get the remainder as 1. Similarly, 9 modulo 4 will give the answer as 1, where 1 is the remainder. There is one note point. When we use this modulo operator and when denominator is greater than the numerator, the modulo gives the same remainder as that of the numerator. For example, minus 2 modulo 6 give us the remainder as minus 2. 5 modulo 6 give us the remainder as 5 and 4 modulo 9 give us the remainder as 4. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, we will get the remainder as per the division of the numbers. Like 15 modulo 7 will give us remainder 1, 19 modulo 7 will give us the remainder 5 and so on. The second come the relational operator. These relation operators are used for comparing any two entities. First comes the double equal to operator. This double equal to sign is used for equating any two numbers or any two equations. There is a note point. The single equal to operator is used for assignment. For example, int x equal to 5. This means this variable x is assigned a value as 5 and this double equal to operator is used for comparing any two values. For example, is 5 equals to 5? The answer is true. Is 5 equal to 4? Therefore, the answer will be false. So, these relational operators will always return you the value in the form of either true or false. These values are also called as the Boolean values. That is either true or false. The second is greater than or equal to. This greater than or equal to operator will compare any two entities and return the value either true or false. For example, is 5 greater than or equal to 6? No. Therefore, the value it will return is false. Second, is 5 greater than or equal to 4? Yes, it is greater than 4. Therefore, it will return the value true. In greater than or equal to operator, the numbers which are being compared should satisfy at least one of the conditions. Then only it will return true. If none of the conditions are satisfied, then it will return the value as false. Is 5 greater than or equal to 5? Yes, 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, the value will be true. Similarly, in less than or equal to operator, two values will be compared and if either of the conditions are satisfied, then the value it will return is true, else it will return a false. See, is 6 less than or equal to 7? Yes, 6 is less than 7. Therefore, the value it will return is true. Second is 6 less than or equal to 5? No, it didn't satisfy any of the conditions. Therefore, the value returned will be false. Is 6 less than or equal to 6? Yes, 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, a true will be returned. Now comes the greater than operator. The greater than operator will compare the two numbers, and if the number being compared is greater than the other number, then it will return the value as true, else false. Like 5 is greater than 4, therefore a true will be returned. Similar is the case with the less than operator. If the number being compared with the other number is less than the another one, then it will return a true value, else it will return a false. Is 6 less than 8? Yes, therefore it's a true. Is 6 less than 4? It's false. And the last relational operator is not equal to. If both the numbers which are compared are not equal to each other, then this operator will return a true value, else it will return a false value. Like 5 is not equal to 6, it's true. 5 is not equal to 5, it's false. The third operator is the logical operators. The logical operators consist of AND, which is denoted with the double ampersand sign, OR, which is denoted by the double pipe sign, and in your keyboard you will find this kind of symbol, that is two lines one below the other, and you will find a little gap between them. This is called as the pipe operator. And the third one is NOT operator. These logical operators work only on the Boolean values, that is true and false. First come the AND operator. The AND operator will return a true value if all the conditions which are being compared are true, and if any one of them becomes false, then it will return a false value. For example, see, true and true returns true, true and false returns false, true and false returns a false. Since we all know our computer systems or any other operating systems work only on the bits, that is either 1 or 0, and this true value is the 1 and the false value is 0. This AND operator works similar to that of the multiplication operator. Like if you multiply 1 and 1, you will always get a 1, but if you multiply 1 with 0, you will get only 0. Similarly, if you multiply 2 into 3 into 0 into 100, you will always get a 0 value. Similarly, in AND operators, if any one of the case becomes false, the answer will always be a false. Now, the second comes the OR operator. The OR operator will return a true value if it finds at least one true condition in the given whole statement. That is, true or true will become true, true or false will return true, false or false or true or false will return a true value, false or false will return a false value. By seeing these equations, we can come to a conclusion that it will return a false value when there is no true value in the given equation. This NOT operator negates the value. Negates means it will turn true to false and false to true. That is, not true equals to false and not false equals to true. With this, we end up with the operators here. If you find any doubts, please mention in the comment section. In the next video, we will study the pattern programmings, and then you will practically apply all the operators and loops